Alright, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk about affiliate marketing tips, tools, and strategies that you can use to help you achieve financial freedom. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to find endless blog content using Wealthy Affiliate's powerful hub feature. So if you're like me and you sometimes struggle to write content or to come up with content ideas, this hub feature is going to be a game changer for you. And I love it because I'm able to come up with content ideas for the entire month, and I don't have to worry about it after that. I sometimes have a little bit of a creative block, if you will, and I think that there's nothing else to write about, but there's always things to write about. So this Hubs feature is really going to show you some other options, some trending options, some things that maybe you hadn't thought about, and that's why I love it so much. And it gives me the ability to just generate content ideas and to get the ball rolling, because the name of the game is to be posting consistently. And if you're stuck in a writer's block or in kind of a creative block and you can't think of anything to write about, this is definitely going to help you. So before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that you know when I come out with videos just like this. And feel free to go check out my website where I have all kinds of blog articles about affiliate marketing tips and strategies and ways that you can have affiliate marketing success within your own business. I'll link all that down in the bottom. Okay, so within Wealthy Affiliate, we have the Hub section right here. And this is a relatively new feature that they've added within the past year or two. And they are constantly evolving it and updating it and making it one of the most powerful content creation features on their platform. And I love it, like I've already discussed, for so many different reasons. And it's got a lot going on, but we're just going to talk about the content ideas section, which is right here. Go down to that. So here we have the content ideas, and my niche is, affiliate marketing and make money online. I also have a camping website, so I can do this exact same thing but within the camping and outdoor niche. But I just want to show you within this niche how this works. So here's our content ideas. If you see over here, we have categories. There's a whole bunch of them, and you can always add more down here. So we've got, let's look at here, passive income. So here's potential posts for passive income. What is passive income and how to earn it online? Creating passive income streams with digital products. Creating an online course for passive income. And let's say maybe we want to talk about email marketing. So you got the basics of email marketing, getting started, segmenting your email list for targeted marketing, optimizing your email marketing campaigns for conversions. We've got all these different potential posts that we could write about. Let's go to SEO, for instance. On page SEO optimization, best practices to follow. All of these categories have all of these different potential posts for it. So let's see, I think there's 10 or so listed here, and there's about 10 different categories listed over here. So that is what, 100 different ideas that you could write about. Another feature that the Hubs platform has is the niche research. So over here, content ideas and strategies. Okay, so around here we've got unique content ideas, make money online with mystery shopping, monetize your hobby with Etsy, unique ways to profit from blogging. You've also got over here the best of. Maybe you like to do listicles, so you can do the best ways to monetize a blog. Top passive income ideas. Obviously, you change that to 2025 or whatever year you're in. Future trends, profit from NFTs without investment, top online courses to earn money. You have all these different things. Pain points, which is always a great subject to write about, because what you're trying to do as an affiliate marketer is to address one of their pain points and give them a solution. So how to avoid online money-making scams, realistic ways to earn money online, finding legitimate online job opportunities. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you what you can do, the power of this. So it's giving me all these ideas. Okay, that's great. But one of the other things you can easily do is let's say right here, how to avoid online money making scams. Let's say I want to write about that. All I have to do is go over here to this plus, and it will add it to task. So it has been added to task, and I'll show you that in just a second. So let's find one or two more. Let's go to the unique ones. Monetize your hobby with Etsy. I like that. Let's add that one to task. And turning social media into profit streams. I'm going to write about that too. So I've added those three to my writing task. So now we go here to writing tasks. And this is a list of the writing tasks that I have ready. As you can see, the three that I just added are right here. They're ready to be written. All these other ones I've already put into a draft. So how to avoid online money-making scams. Let's say I'm ready to write about that. All I have to do is hit write article, and it will take me to the AI article designer. And I'll briefly show you that, but I'm going to do another video about that pretty soon. So I can either hit write article, or if I want to bulk write, let's say I'm ready to write all three of these, or I want to have them ready so that I can post them Monday, Wednesday, Friday, whatever my schedule might be. I'm just going to click on all three of those, and then I can click bulk write. So now I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll show you where we're going to go with this. This is the article designer I was talking about, and it uses AI to help you write and give you a little outline for your articles. So here's the article topics. They just immediately got filled in here. How to avoid online money-making scams. And here's an option. I can write a little bit. Maybe I want to target some specific scams. I can write that here. Or if I want it to be written in a certain way, I can give it a little prompt here. This is the second one, monetize your hobby with Etsy, and the third one, turning social media into profit streams. So at this point, all we would do, like I said, I'm just going to go through this real quickly, show you what happens. Let's say I want all of them to be 5 sections. I would click this, and it gives you, it's approximately going to be about that many words, 14 to 1700 words. And then next we're going to choose an author. And you have these two options currently. They're coming up with some more, but I like to use this one for my affiliate marketing niche. And all I hit is create articles. And right here it's bulk writing in progress. So it's going to take a few minutes. It doesn't take very long at all. I would say maybe a minute to 2 for each article. Okay, so now they are done. So let's go to this first one. Let's see, monetizing your hobby with Etsy. I want to go to that draft. It's the first one I want to create. And as you can see, this article designer has written out a nice introduction here. And we've got our headings for the next section. Everything you need to start selling on Etsy, and it's written this paragraph. We've got mastering the craft. It's our second section. 3 sections. And this final one here. Okay? Word count is 1079. It's pretty good. Now, what I would suggest here, obviously, is you don't just want to publish this to your website. You want to make it your own voice and do your editing to it. Go through and read it, make sure it makes sense, and it always does, but make sure it's not repeating itself, and make sure that it is getting across the points that you want to get across. But this gives you a great outline or a great starting point that you can edit and make your own. Also, I like to format them into to look better. For instance, I would probably do some bullet points within some of these categories. I would also add some graphics, obviously. You can do some of that here. I personally like to do my editing as far as the words go, and then start doing the rest of it within my website, because I use Elementor and I'm just familiar with how to format it the way I want. I also have some templates that I use as well. But let's say you finished your editing and you have everything written the way you want it and looking the way you want. You could easily just hit publish, and it will publish it to your website, where again, you can continue to do more editing, obviously. So that's usually what I do, is I go through and edit this, and you can add links from here if you'd like. So if I wanted to link to the Etsy Seller Handbook, for instance, I would go here, click the link, whatever the URL is. I don't know what it is, but that's where I would put it. After you do all of this, you can hit publish, and it will go to your website. Okay, so there you have it. That is Wealthy Affiliates Hub feature. It is, in my opinion, just like a one-stop solution for content creation and for making it just efficient and just streamlining the entire process. I love being able to, like I said, just come down here to the content ideas and just find the ones I think that I should write about and plan out my entire month in literally 10 minutes. I can have all the articles I'm going to be writing for the month chosen and ready to roll, and then I can just use the AI article designer within Wealthy Affiliate in order to give me an outline and get me a starting point for writing those articles. And I just love the fact that it has really helped me get over a lot of my writer's block. And like I said, I mentioned at the beginning, it really does keep me motivated and keep me going. And that's what is really important, in my opinion, is to consistently put out content. So if you like this and you're ready to start using this amazing tool, I would encourage you to sign up for Wealthy Affiliate. There'll be a link in the description. Honestly, this entire Wealthy Affiliate platform has just completely transformed the way that I approach affiliate marketing, and the Hubs feature that they have just brought on is one of my favorites and is just making my life so much easier as an affiliate marketer. So I hope you like it as well. Alright, that's it for today's video. I appreciate you watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.